Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. If you are coming across this face for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Osaro. Do consider subscribing to join this amazing family. And to my returning subscribers, my OGs, my gang, thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate and it means a lot to me. So guys, today I'll be giving you people 6 profitable businesses you can do from the comfort of your home with little or no capital at all. This business can be done by either full-time working moms, stay-at-home moms, or even part-time moms. They are very flexible. First will be cleaning. Cleaning, you don't need much. You just need your disinfectant, your mop, your hand gloves, your mopping bucket, and you are good to go. In the UK, with £100, you can start your cleaning business. You start by cleaning apartments, cleaning shops, cleaning offices, and before you know it, you are big. Before you know it, you've grown. When you're starting like this, I would recommend, if you can, to offer at least one trial cleaning just to build trust with your clients. You can join Facebook groups. You can use your Instagram. You can use your TikTok, you can use your Twitter, you can even use your WhatsApp status to market yourself. Just use Canva. Do a little poster with no much effort. Post it. Post yourself as well. Post pictures of your cleaning. People just need to see what you can do and know that you're not just talking. People just need to see what you're capable of. And because you're just starting, you don't need to go with the whole market price. You can bring your price down a bit just to grow yourself and build your clientele before you start charging the normal market price. The second point will be beauty service. Offering beauty services. You're a nail technician, you know how to make nails, you know how to make lashes, you know how to braid, you know how to do wig installation. I mean, the UK to be precise. I'm talking about the UK because I'm based in the UK and I see how people take these things seriously. Ladies like to do their nails. I can tell you that for free. And if you're in the UK, you will also know. We Africans, we like to do our hair. And I'm sure you know how much it costs to make just braids here in the UK. I mean, this business or these ideas I'm giving to you is not just for people in the UK alone. I'm just using UK as an example because that's where I'm based. Why don't you start? Start with making your friends' nails. Most of these businesses grow with referrals. They grow with recommendations. Oh, I see your hair and I'm like, I like your hair. Where did you make it? Oh, this person made it for me. And before you know it, give me her number. You started making hair. You started making nails. You started fixing people's lashes. People are always looking for who will install their frontals, who will help them, revamp their wigs. These are things you can do. All you need for a wig is just conditioner and maybe little cleaning agents here and there, and you're good to go. You can get affordable supplies for the hair products from either Shein, Temu, easily. The third on the list will be catering. I mean, who doesn't eat? Put yourself out there. Start by making, it could be as little as puff puff. Take it to church, take it to the office, take it to your neighbors, share it to your friends. If you're really good with your puff puff, before you know it, you add small chops, you add spring rolls. Before you know it, you start making jollof rice, you start taking bulk orders. Market yourself on your WhatsApp status, market yourself on your social media platforms. Word of mouth is also a very good form of marketing. Trust me, once people taste your food and they know that it's really good, they will come back. They will refer people to you. People like good food. And make sure that your prices are not overhyped. Because you're just starting, you need to at least give yourself below the market level. And I'm not saying that you should not make profit. You know what I'm saying? You do your math very well. And before you know it, people will start calling you for events. You know how to make drinks like Zobo. You know how to make cocktails. You know how to make desserts. Market yourself. But for the UK, when it comes to food items, you need to register. Register with your council, because you need the hygiene certificates and the likes. But for places in Nigeria, I don't think they take these things very seriously. But if you have a clean environment, your kitchen is clean, then why not? You don't need to buy anything. Most of the ingredients, you already have them in your pantry, in your kitchen. The fourth one will be events decorating, collaborate with other vendors, market yourself, attend events. If you're good with organizing, you don't need to spend your own money. You'll be like, oh, I don't have money to buy a stand, I don't have money to buy the arc, I don't have money to buy this, buy that. You don't need to buy it. You don't need to have it with you. You can always rent it. That is why for event planning, you need to work with other vendors. For event planning, you just need logistics, then maybe small banners here and there just to advertise, just to market yourself when you go for an event. It's that simple. Number 5 will be food seasoning, spices blend. If you're good with things like this, maybe you make a barbecue, to be like, I like this seasoning, I like this spice, how did you make it? That's a green light for you to start your food seasoning business. Jollof rice spice, pepper soup spice, suya spice, fried rice. All you need to do is get your ingredients in bulk, blend them, put them in little jars. If you cannot afford to buy all those small mason jars, you can start with sachet, transparent sachet. Put your label, and while starting, you don't even need a label. You can use marker to write, okay, this is pepper soup spice, this is suya spice, and like that. Give it to your friends to taste it. Give it to your colleagues to taste it, your family members to taste it, and let them know that you're starting a business. They should patronize you. Put your market on your head. Carry it on your head like your hawking gala, because only you can market yourself for yourself, if you get what I mean. And I think it's only these spices and cleaning that you need to do like little investment. For cleaning, if you have as low as £100 in the UK, you can start. In Nigeria, if you have as low as 50,000, you can start your cleaning business. And then for your pepper soup spice or your spices blend, if you have as low as 20,000, 30,000 in Nigeria, you can start. Here in the UK, you can start with about £100 because the ingredients will be sourced from Nigeria, right? You can also source it yourself. You don't need to go to African shop, pay for your logistics. Everything will not cost you up to £100. The 6th one will be digital product. You know how to use ChatGPT. Good. Digital product is easiest. Just pick your niche, put your prompt on ChatGPT, and there you go. Market yourself. You can sell your digital product on Etsy, on Amazon, on eBay. You can even sell it on your social media platform with no stress. If you want to do digital product for kids, you want to do meal plans, you want to do weight loss plans, there are variety of niches for digital product. Just find your niche and there you go. The most important thing is your phone, internet, and that's all. You don't even need a laptop. You don't even need to print. If people want hard copy, they can request for it. But most times people get the soft copy, print it on their own, and that's all. All you need to do is put your product on the selling platform. There are so many others out there. These days, people are looking for meal plans. If you don't know, let me tell you now. People are looking for how to lose weight. People are looking for how to keep their kids busy. Coloring book is a good one for kids. Journals, beautiful journals. I said I was going to give you guys just 6, right? But I'll give you one bonus. And the bonus will be tutoring, online tutoring. People in diaspora are trying to teach their kids how to speak their native language. If you know how to speak Yoruba, you know how to speak Hausa, you know how to speak Igbo, you know how to speak any native language, yourself out there. All you need is Zoom, a Zoom account, or Google Meet, and what? Your social media platform to market yourself. Your WhatsApp. I don't think people are utilizing your WhatsApp status enough. Don't just be a viewer. Let people view yours as well. And not just for viewing's sake. Let them have something they are going to look out for. You charge per hour. If you're not good with any language, you're good with subjects, math, English, science. You can teach children after school. You can teach them weekends. Holiday is coming now. Most parents will appreciate this. But make sure that your price is not ridiculous. And trust me, you get clients. And with all this, I want to just give you tips, bonus tips. Please, if you are starting a business, you need to do these 3 very important. You need to have them. Good customer service skills, good communication skills, and patience. Trust me, when you have all these 3, and you're putting them in place, there is no way your business will not grow. But you have to put God first. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you found this useful, let me know in the comment section. If you're going to be trying any of them, Or if you even want me to give you more business ideas or business tips, you can start from the comfort of your home. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join this amazing family. See you in my next video. Bye and remain blessed.